Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us today. So, I've got a very short video tutorial that will demonstrate to you how to upload a picture from your computer to your Wix website. So to do so, pick an area on your site that you want the picture to appear. It's always a good idea to decide that first. Then, in the little Add Elements button in the top left-hand corner here, if you hit that, and then select Image in the first section of that menu. Obviously we want to upload an image, so upload and import. You can also add them from the Wix library at this stage, it's worth mentioning. You can tag search for them as well if you're looking for something specific. But if you want to upload your own image, you select upload there and then upload images from this option here. So when you select that, it brings you to this little wizard and you are able to link or upload images from other platforms that you can see listed here, and you can even link it from a Google image search result. However, today we want to upload from computer, so make sure that you've got that little computer symbol in the top selected and you'll get this option, upload from computer. That'll open the Windows file browser, and I just want to open a random image for you just to demonstrate today. You can see this media that I've uploaded previously here, and as it's uploading my little file, there it appears. So you can manage it here. If you've uploaded the wrong image, you can move it to trash, you can copy it, or you can move it into a folder and you can kind of organize your media here. That's now saved on your Wix media library. So to add it to your page, make sure that you've got it selected so it's outlined in blue, and then hit the Add to Page button in the bottom right hand corner. And then, hopefully, there he appears. Obviously, I haven't got a background on that image. It displayed as white, just so we could see it in the gallery. You can resize that image here so we can see it all. And there is my image uploaded from my computer into Wix. So, that concludes our very simple video tutorial for you today. If you'd like expert help from a team of people on Wix that'll be able to take you through the creation of a website from scratch, or if you're an advanced user that wants to learn something specific or rebrand or solve a problem or restructure their website, there's a link to do that in the description for this video. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any specific requests for videos or any problems that you need help solving, leave them as a comment below. Thank you very much.